Hello guys, my name is Gabriel. I'm going to show you how to install new RAMs for your computer. But first, you have to make sure that your computer is unplugged for any electrical plugs because you don't want to hurt yourself. Also, make sure that your hands are dry. Okay, the first step is to take off the screws at the back panel. Like this and this. Also, you don't need to take these ones off because we don't need to take off the fan today. After you unscrew them, you can slowly start pulling the back panel from the PC. Once you're inside, you can definitely see a lot of things, but don't get intimidated because the ones that you're looking for are here. These are my old RAMs. Since we're going to be installing new RAMs, we're going to take them off. How do you do it? It's really easy. There are these little switches here that you could just push, just take it off. There are two of them, remember. So once you start switching off these two, don't forget to switch off the other two. After you've done that, you just pull these babies out. Pretty cool, huh? Then grab your new stuff, your new RAM, I mean. Just plug it in. Remember, your holes here, they're really small, so you have to be very careful, because you can't break them. And these things are not cheap. Once you got them in, you can't just switch it on now. Why? Because this will happen. So what you want to do is open it again, plug it in, after you plug them in, you want to push them hard after here, so you hear a clicking noise like this, like that. Do it for the other one. Same stuff. Just push it in and push it in. Great. You're done. But you need to close this and then screw those screws back in place. And you're done. After this, you have to test it out by turning it on and checking the system. So, this is how you check if your RAM is correctly working or not. You just gotta check the installed memory. Remember how much memory your RAM has. Mine was 16 gigs, which means now it's working perfectly. After that, you want to check some stuff out, you can do it yourself. Right now, I don't need to, so just press OK. Just wait for the PC to boot. That's it. Hope you enjoy.